Fox and I could never forget that it was Toad who led all the Farthingwood animals to our new home here in Whitedale Park.
He'll come up. Here?
We would have given anything to protect our brave little friend from the most terrifying experience of his life.
Lovely day, eh, Spike, me boy? Kill it.
Thankfully, he survived. Owl, however, was still imprisoned in her jacket of building cement,
Huh? No!
which was resisting all the efforts of her fellow flappers to free her.
Oh, what a beautiful morning. I've never seen a better one. Not in all my days.
Aye, Hercule, it's mighty bonny.
It's a Herculish morning. A morning to be Herculish on. I know. I'll do something extra specially kind this morning.
There's going to be a hurricane.
What? Where? Or when?
Mossy, you ought not to say such things. You've upset Hercule.
But there is.
Oh, you wee pest.
That's it. You tell him. He is a wee pest. You hear that, Mossy? You're a wee pest. It's official. Oh, I am sorry. That was unkind.
A hurricane!
Well, I suppose we'd better see Fox and tell him what the beastie says.
Come on then. Gee up, Hercule. Hurry! It'll be here soon. The hurricane! The
Fox! 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 Fox!
Fox? What is it? Oh, not trouble, surely. Not on a day like this.
Excuse us, but Mossy has something to tell you.
There's going to be a hurricane.
You're making mountains out of molehills again, Mossy.
There's going to be a hurricane. There is.
Silly wee moudy pest.
It won't even drizzle.
You'll see. Hercule, please go back to your set and stay there. Please, promise me.
But it's the best day ever. No hurricane.
That extra special kind thing you wanted to do this morning. This is it. Please, for me, go back to your set.
Oh, all right then.
Hercule!
You know where to find me?
Would you like a maggot? What? They're nutritious. Look. Oh, I'll get you another one, shall I? What? Owl? Owl? Oh, no. She's dead. Dead.
I'm not dead yet. I'm still here.
Oh, my dearest feathered friend, my own darling Hooter. Somehow I'll get you out of that cement overcoat. I don't know how, but I will. Do I look even more handsome than usual this morning?
Very handsome.
Cool.
chicks. I'll come back when they go in with a nice juicy maggot. What?
Go on.
Quick, kick it!
Yeah! Well done! More! Come on!
Look at him!
Right!
Quick, kick it! Kick it!
I don't want to leave.
Me neither as well. It's a great home.
Full of the best Weasley fun ever.
Yeah.
You don't want that nasty wild boar to stick his great big tusks in your father, do you?
Yes!
Yes.
Can't you control those two? Look at them. They're turning into delinquents. And no wonder with you as a father.
I love you, all of you. I'm a good father. A storm. A big one.
Oh, it's miles away. What do you see?
A big storm. Oh, I think it's a hurricane.
It's coming this way.
Measly? I blame you for this, you measly twat! Help!
What do you mean? Help? What? I could just as easily say help as you. Help!
It's going to fall! Oh, my aching head!
Oh! Oh, look! You're free! Tatty, but free!
Measly, this is all your fault! Oh, Measly! Measly, help! Help!
Oh, it's all right. We're safe now. There's not much hurricane left, I'm sure.
The mole was right, wasn't he, Fox? It seems so, yes. Thank you, Plucky. He was. Mossy was right. It is a hurricane. I was wrong. He was right.
He'll be safe and snug now, deep under the earth, chewing worms, where no trees fall.
I never realised there were so many advantages in being a mole. I'm mightily worried about Hercule. He's all alone in our set. You know what he's like. Such an owly blather outside. Oh, he'll be in the most dreadful panic.
Don't worry, Shadow. He's quite safe, and the hurricane won't last much longer.
No. I must go and see that he's all right. It's no far.
Shadow!
I loves an hurricane. Not nearly enough of them, if you asks me. Listen to that. The power of Mother Nature. Sort of makes you feel small and humble. What are you scared of? We're perfectly safe down here in the bowels of the earth. Nothing can bother us here. Call yourselves rats. Who am I?
Oh, do excuse me. I
didn't mean to crash in on your... the hurricane confused me. I was chasing a worm, you see. Hello, I'm a mole.
Course you are. We're old friends. Soft, velvety, hardly disgusting at all. And a mole's almost a rat, isn't it? Not as good, of course, but same sort of thing in a way. You know, kinda mousy. Excepting you've no tail to speak of. There, my softy. Who am I? You sit there. You're quite safe from the tempest what rages above. We're not going to eat him, are we, ratties? Nah!
There you are, the king of the rats. I knew you'd be down here, hiding from the hurricane. You killed my mate. And now, I'm going to kill you.
You horrible serpent! You nasty, slithering evil thing, you! Get it! Rip it up! Kill it! Ratties! Oh, boy!
Well, that was exciting, what? I enjoyed that.
It's given me the most dreadful headache. Oh, the pain.
And my darling owl, she whose hoots unto my own hoots. She is released from her cement prison. Oh, happy day. What?
Am I very tatty?
What?
Tell her the truth. Go on.
Yes. All right. Tatty.
And can you love me if I'm tatty?
I will love you always. What? I loved you at first glance.
Will you come home with me? Back to White Deer Park?
Anything you ask. What?
Let's go. Now. Straight away. Home. We can live there together. You and I. Me and my mate. Oh, wait till they see how handsome you are. Oh.
The whole world? Hurricanes never attack the whole world.
Fido, Cleo, be careful. Pig!
Weasel!
Pig!
Weasel!
What's wrong with the big snorter?
His wife was killed by the hurricane. Squashed under trees. But he's still got me. I'm all right. I'll look after him. He's my father, and I'm his piglet. I'm a considerable consolation.
On behalf of my little family and weasels everywhere, may I say how sorry we are about your wife?
Thank you. How very kind of you. I've lost everything. Everything. But I've still got him.
I'm a considerable consolation.
He is. You are.
We're heading up country. Some of his grown-up litters live there. He thinks I should meet as many pigs as possible. Pig!
Weasel!
Pig!
Weasel!
Don't worry about me. I'll never be sausages.
Now what?
Weasel, this time I won't have any arguments. I won't have any tantrums or name-calling. We're going back to White Deer Park. We're going home where our friends are, where we'll all be safe. All right?
Yes, Measley. You're right. Let's go home.
You stupid dog. You're the stupidest, most useless dog I ever did see or hear of. Dearie me, what is it now, Rollo? What have we here, then? Oh, it's a badger. A female. Good boy, Rollo. Well done. I'm sorry I said you were useless. Can't feel anything broken. Still, we'd better get her back to the cottage and see how she fares. Come along, Rollo.
Oh?
Hercule!
Oh, dear. What a mess. What happened?
Well, you know, the hurricane.
Oh, hurricane? I must have slept right through it. What a funny dream I had.
Did Shadow get to you all right?
Shadow? No, I left her with you and Mossy.
She came out in the hurricane to be with you, to look after you.
Perhaps she took shelter somewhere.
Shadow? Shadow? Shout, Hercule, wherever you are. Shadow.
Ranger, you were quick. What's the head count?
Not many casualties. Very good, all in all. Unless you're a squirrel.
They took shelter in the trees, poor things.
I reckon we lost 10 or 12.
Oh.
Plucky's gone to check on the badgers. Mossy and Ada must be somewhere underground.
Let's hope it killed a few rats.
Is Shadow here? My Shadow, my lovely, kind Shadow. She's much kinder than me. Much. Oh, Shadow, Shadow.
I haven't seen her.
Spread out, everyone, and look for Shadow. Plucky, Ranger, you come with me. I want to see what that noise is.
I've accounted for all the frogs except 14. Mateys?
Look who it is. Well, that hurricane did some good at least.
Go away, you insolent Weasley fox. I won't let you watch me die. I won't!
He's pinned. Good and proper.
I'm sorry, Trey. You've been vile to us, but I wouldn't have wished this to happen to you.
Go away. All of you. I want to die alone.
And you'll never know who'll be leader of the herd after you.
I'll be the leader.
No, you won't. I will.
Shut up, you two. We can decide later who'll be leader. Leave the poor fellow in peace. Come on, off you go. And you two foxes. Scoot! Let him die alone, if that's what he wants.
You won't succeed me. Not you, lad. I won't have it.
Look, Laird, is it? Excuse me, but he doesn't have to die. If you 3 big stags got your antlers under that tree, you might be able to move it and let him out.
Let him stew.
Yeah, let him rot.
Old Fox has had a good idea. They're terrible, those two. I'll soon get them in line when I'm leader of the herd.
You'll never be. Never.
Looks like it's just me, Trey. Get ready. I'm going to give it a try.
Well, Laird, looks like you're the new leader of the herd.
I'll have to fight the other stags first. Then I will be.
What's going to happen to him?
If he's lucky, the warden will find him. If not, well, I suppose that's the end of the poor brute.
Haven't seen a badger anywhere, have you?
Badger? Me? No. Sorry.